Are you tired of awkwardly hoisting yourself into your truck bed? Let me introduce the Beech Lane Tailgate Ladder, which makes accessing your truck bed easier than ever. A host of unique features make this ladder a step above the competition. Full welding at ladder frame connection points and galvanized steel construction make for a sturdy ladder frame. Aluminum step grip plates, increased traction underfoot, and tall rubber ladder feet provide a solid footing for stable ladder operation. Stainless steel self-drilling hex screws make installation frustration-free. Beech Lane is an American company located in North Carolina and features USA-based product support. The ladder includes a lifetime manufacturer warranty. The Beech Lane Tailgate Ladder. Order yours today.